What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a quick first look at the CK21 IP67 waterproof fitness tracker smartwatch, which goes for about $30 to $40 depending on the website and seller that you choose to get it from. I'm going to have my affiliate links in the video description below, so if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my link, which would take you to trusted sellers and websites on eBay, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you do decide to purchase with my link. And before we begin today, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel and push the thumbs up button, because that will allow me to bring you guys more free content like this whenever I do get my hands on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. So be sure to subscribe and like this video. Now, we're going to take a first quick look at the features that's available on the smartwatch. The smartwatch comes with a leather band. I think this is the only variation that I've seen for this model of smartwatch. So it's kind of cool because it does have a pretty premium feel to it, even though it's not like something that's over $100. It doesn't feel like it's over $100, but for something that's about $30 to $40, it does feel like it could be doubled in that price. And I do like the style of the look, and I would not mind wearing this watch and having it in rotation as one of my weekly watches to wear. Now let's check out some of the features on this watch. Now this watch comes with a just one button right here just to turn on. And we're going to put this watch on and see how it feels for you guys. Okay, so it's not too big or small. I think it's just average size. I usually prefer a watch that's a lot bigger, but this is okay for me. Now this watch comes with this side button right here, and also this touchscreen button. So it's not fully touchscreen, so you guys do want to be mindful of that. But it uses this little button right here, as you can see, to browse through some of the functions. And we can check out some of the functions that this watch has. Now I have used this watch for about a day, and I left it on standby. And since the last charge, we still have what it looks like to be 75% of the battery capacity left. So after about 1 day's use and a few days of standby, there seems to be still a lot of battery left. I don't really use my smartwatch too much besides to tell time, so that might be the case. But if you guys do, use most of the functions on this watch, you guys may use some more battery. But I think from estimation, I think this watch would be able to last about 2 to 3 days, just using it for its watch functions and tell time, but not constantly using its fitness functions. Now let's check out some of the features on this watch. Let me see how many watch faces this watch has. So usually you can do that by long pressing the button right here, but it looks like it only has one watch face. So if you guys do like watch faces, more watch faces, that might be kind of disappointing. It has a heart rate monitor, a blood pressure monitor, which is a plus for me, pedometer, which is very standard for any of these fitness tracker smartwatches, calories burner, distance traveled, sleep monitor. I don't really use, but I'm sure some of you guys do. I think this is a notification. Also in different types of sport modes. Let me see if I can, I feel like the screen just goes off a little too fast. I don't really like that, but it is what it is. It also has this weather mode. Your settings, you can find quite a bit of things to go through in the settings. It actually does look like it has several watch faces to choose from, but it's not immediately from the default watch face like a lot of the other watches would have. So this is a little bit of a irregularity. So that's pretty much it for the functions on this watch. Now, this watch operates off a magnetic pin charger. I think it's 2 pins. Let me just take it off, show you. But it does charge pretty fast. So if you guys, charge your smartwatches pretty often, this is not something of a concern because, like I said, the battery capacity seems to be pretty big. And it takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge this watch as well. So the battery charging is not too much of an issue. The watch case seems to be made out of steel. So, it does look like it's a watch that might cost about $60, $70, double its price. It's something that I would wear in my weekly rotation of watches. But, it's not going to feel like a watch that's over $100. So this concludes my quick basic review of the CK21 smartwatch. I'm going to have my affiliate link in the video description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any comments below and I will see you guys next time.